Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi and yeah, you're welcome. So today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial without foundation. Actually, I have freckles on my face like you can see, and I want to see what it looks like wearing a full makeup without foundation. So guys, let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be using Glam Girls powder. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. So how do you see my look without foundation? So I applied everything I'm supposed to apply for a normal daily makeup minus my foundation. So the essence of doing this makeup without foundation is, number one, the makeup is to enhance my look and not to really hide all of my imperfections. Secondly, there are people that actually break out from the use of foundation. So I just want to show you that you can actually wear your makeup and enhance your look without applying foundation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.